Hey there, and thank you for hopping on. If you have been under a rock, you would know not only is it April, but Tuesday is April 15th. And so I'm just going to go ahead and put it out there. If you have not been in contact with your tax advisor, please file an extension. I always tell people, do you want it right or do you want it rushed? And so I am up making sure that I have the game plan of all the clients that have been working with me that are my legacy clients, that we get you filed, and then we can start Q2 strong, start the bookkeeping. If you are behind, I always like to let my clients know that is okay. Extensions are there. Q2 is the realignment quarter. It's able to prepare you for 3 and 4. Number one, honestly, my assessment, especially my own personal assessment as I recover from my broken ankle, is it's been kind of rough for people. Q1 was not kind to business owners. We've had a new administration in office, and I think the world conditions and how we're interacting has not been what we would deem stable. So it has caused discomfort. And so this has rippled into some businesses, especially if you're a product owned business and you rely on international goods to support that. So what I'd like to do is in future content, talk about what these tariffs mean, talk about the tax situations that we are having coming from the White House and how that impacts business owners. In the meantime, on a micro scale, file your extensions, get your bookkeeping done, and let's just see how this year unfolds. One other additional thing that I noticed is this Zelle situation, and Zelle has no longer accepted payments through their direct platform. I've had to have clients just realign and make sure that they go to the actual credit union or bank to open up their Zelle, business Zelle, that is. Some credit unions have it on a personal level. Some credit unions actually just have it on the business level, or both. Make sure your bank, if you are a business owner, run it through your business account, make sure it's registered as a business so that you can keep track of that. I do believe that the order of having Zelle get off of their platform is because it's going to be transparent, and it's all about the taxes. If you are collecting money and it's going through a bank account, it's going to be able to get monitored and it's going to get taxed. So that's why you really need to put money aside, have a tax account as a business owner, and put money aside to taxes. So what if you haven't done that and you have not paid your estimated taxes? You've experienced an influx. Please know, work with your tax advisor, because there are certain forms that if you have some sort of penalty and you have been in compliance, you can apply for what is known as an abatement, or there's another form that when you file and you've experienced like this crazy influx in your income, that there may be an opportunity to get out of some estimated tax penalties as well. Again, work with your tax advisor, CPA, enrolled agent, strategist, whatever they go by, to make sure that you're not paying any penalties that you don't have to. In addition, let's see what else. Make sure you get your quarterly taxes in. Again, if you do not, don't worry. This is also a good time to examine officers' compensation if you have a corporation. And yeah, that is pretty much where we're at. I'll be sending out a mass text within 24 to 48 hours just to make sure that people know that extensions are going to be filed throughout the weekend for those who have not already. And then just make it, for the rest of my folks in the world of taxes, make it a good season and end strong. A lot of people who work with businesses, we all know that this is not the end of the tax year. As a matter of fact, I feel that I just get started in April with my clients. So a message to those who have worked with me and who are currently work with me, just gratitude. Thank you for allowing me to support you. And then if you have any questions, please DM me. My team members are watching the messages. I would say 90% back. I do not feel as if I am 100% with recovering from medical leave that I put myself on, but I am feeling a lot better day by day. So again, many blessings. We love you here at DNA Financial. And then if you have any questions, let us know. But I am about to get back to work and work with the team and get these taxes done. Make it a great day. And again, have a blessed and abundant day.